On this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at a small enterprise making waves in the digital art business. Andrew Laidley reports.
The Portrait Place is an online-based creative company which focuses on customizing personal photos into unique designs. The company is spearheaded by these three university students who've decided to share responsibilities and workload. They explained how it started.
We wanted to gift, one of our friends, something for her birthday. And when she received it, it actually brought tears to her eyes. And that really meant a lot to us. And from there, we said, why not, make an impact on even more lives?
That was 1 year ago. Since then, the business has grown, with more clients buying into the product offerings.
Initially, it wasn't really about the money. We know we all have business mindsets. I mean, we always wanted to start a business, but we didn't really know that this is what we wanted to do. But when we started, we absolutely loved it. And the feedback that we've been getting from persons, it's just been great. We would have never expected it. Less than a year starting, we now have 11.6 thousand followers.
And with that, the three entrepreneurs decided it was time to expand their team.
Now we realize that having a three-person team can't cope with the demand of the clients. And we have a 5-day deadline. We take that very seriously. So we had to get some additional team members. So we have some members who assist us with graphics, with social media, and even constructing the frames and cutting everything up and putting everything together. So everyone has their own team that they work with from here.
But they aren't doing it alone. They explained that the company's growth has been supported by strategic partnerships.
We partner with this agency that assists us with printing. We get everything done, put together, and then we have another agency that we partner with that does our shipping, our delivery as well. We also ship internationally. So everything is taken care of. The reason why we chose DHL is because there is no cost that the clients have to bear once it is that they receive it. We went through some other shipping companies, and when they get to their native country, then they'd have to pay to clear the goods. So we didn't want that. We just want the customers to pay one flat price, sit down in your couch and just relax, and just know that everything is taken care of. And we had to do a lot of testing to have this done. But we've come up with a system now that allows us to have the packages made, prepared properly in durable packaging, so that it can withstand the trips across the waters.
They say the COVID-19 pandemic has forced them to work faster to get the portraits to customers within a timely manner, since some logistical channels have been disrupted. But that's a challenge the entrepreneurs say they are efficiently maneuvering. In the meantime, there are big plans for the future.
I believe that the Portrait Place can be an international company with possibly franchising in several of these Caribbean countries and even some states abroad. I believe the Portrait Place can be a household name that you put it on your Christmas wish list. Like, Mommy, I want something from the Portrait Place.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.